Once upon a time, in a lush bamboo forest, there lived a friendly panda named Ping. Ping loved exploring and discovering new things. One day, Ping heard from a little bird about a place called Food Street, where people from all over the world sold delicious and exciting foods. Early the next morning, Ping set off on his adventure. He walked through the forest, over the hills, and across a river until he finally reached Food Street. The street was buzzing with activity, and the air was filled with wonderful smells of cooking food. Ping followed the scent until he reached a stall with a big sign that read, "Betty's Burgers." Betty noticed Ping and smiled warmly. "Hello there, little panda. What brings you here?" Betty placed a juicy patty on a soft golden bun. She added a slice of cheese, some fresh lettuce, a juicy tomato, and a squirt of special sauce. Ping took the burger carefully in his paws and took a big bite. As soon as the flavors hit his tongue, his eyes widened in delight. "This is amazing!" Ping exclaimed, his mouth full. Betty laughed. "I'm glad you like it. Burgers are my specialty." Ping waved goodbye and made his way back to the forest, his heart full of joy and his belly full of the delicious burger. When he returned home, his friends were curious about where he had been. "I tried something called a burger," Ping told them excitedly. Ping's friends listened with wide eyes as he described the burger in great detail. Some of them even started to feel a bit curious themselves. And so, Ping went to bed that night with a big smile on his face, dreaming of his next adventure. And so, with a content heart and a satisfied belly, Ping dreamed of his next adventure, knowing that the world was full of delicious possibilities. The end.